Isha Ambani and Rihanna hyping each other like a couple of besties is our favorite thing on internet right now. So let's check out what all has happened since the time Bad Girl Riri landed in India. From her very first public appearance when she went to the Mumbai Fenty store for the launch, everybody is going crazy over her looks, her outfit, this beautiful lemony set that she's wearing, the Hathful by Manish Malhotra, the Kada by Sabyasachi. I mean, she has got everything together, and how. But it was truly this Fenty Beauty at Sephora launch party that was the highlight of the entire event. I mean, look at Rihanna in this beautiful black attire, but it was Isha Ambani that played the perfect host, as she always does. Like, I'm low-key obsessed with how pretty and lovelier than ever Isha Ambani looks in this Dior couture dress. Look at the color, look at the fit, the whole feels is so pretty, so gorgeous. The black bow, the frills, the entire thing is giving an elegance in the most stunning way. And being the mother of Fenty Beauty, she can never go wrong with her glam game. Even the accessorizing that she's done is so amazing. Look at those ear cuffs, the studs, the whole thing is a vibe altogether. That is Rihanna for you. Talking of other celebrities at the launch event, I think Janhvi Kapoor also nailed it with her look, the clinched waist, the fit of the dress, the colors, her makeup glow, everything is on point. I think it's a very chic look. And the fact that the event was so high profile with Rihanna herself being there at the party, I think the influencers and the celebrities could do a better job with their outfits and styling than they actually did. The only beauty influencer that I feel nailed the look was Radhika Seth, looking absolutely drop dead gorgeous in this black bodysuit with this mesh net skirt. I mean, look at the styling going on here, her hair, the makeup, this gorgeous neck piece that she's wearing. Everything is like aces, and oh my god, she looks absolutely sexy. Overall, I feel this Fenty Beauty launch in Sephora in India in collaboration with Tira has been a landmark one, and we can only imagine what else Isha Ambani has in store when it comes to changing the face of beauty and lifestyle in India. And I'm sure one can't help but be jealous of everyone who was part of this party, chilling, dancing, having fun with Rihanna. Being in the same room as her is kind of a once in a lifetime opportunity. And lastly, it was Rihanna shouting Namaste that literally slayed it for me. That is where I'm going to leave you. You guys let me know, what do you think of Rihanna meets Tira meets Sephora meets Fenty Beauty? And thank you for watching as always. Bye-bye.